Hi there, I'm Veena. Welcome back to Patter Cake. The mango season is here, so let's make some mango ice cream. My recipe is quick and incredibly easy. No cooking, no special equipment. All you need is a blender or a mixer grinder. And trust me, it's delicious. So let's get started. First, chop 2 medium-sized mangoes. These weigh 500 grams. Use any variety of fleshy mangoes. Scoop the pieces using a spoon or a knife. Transfer these to a mixer jar along with 1/3 cup of sugar and then blend or mix everything for 2 minutes. Next, transfer 1 cup of fresh cream. Transfer it to a bowl. It says 250 ml here. That's 1 cup. Whip the cream lightly with a whisk. Then transfer it to the mixer jar along with 3/4 to 1 cup of chilled full cream milk, depending on how thin or thick your mango puree is, and half a cup of milk powder. Mix everything roughly. Then blend and mix the ice cream mixture for around 2 to 3 minutes till you get a smooth, thick mixture like this. Transfer it to a metal, glass or plastic container that has a lid. Cover and chill the ice cream mixture in the freezer for around 5 hours till it is half set. Then transfer this to the mixer jar again and whip it for just 30 seconds. Pour the mixture back into the ice cream mold. Level it, then cover the top with parchment paper or cling wrap to prevent the formation of ice crystals. Our homemade ice cream won't be exactly like the commercially produced ice cream, to which chemicals like CNC are added for keeping it soft and free of ice crystals. But it will be close to store-bought ice cream, only much tastier. Now put the lid on and freeze the ice cream mixture for around 12 to 14 hours or overnight. I'm using an ordinary scoop dipped in warm water. Now scoop it out. Add a sprinkling of crushed nuts and enjoy!